Hey guys, so Contact Form 7 is the main contact form plugin which was used since the early days of WordPress. However, recently at WordCamp Asia, the creator of Contact Form 7 announced that the 6.2 version of the Contact Form 7, which will be released soon, will be the last major version of Contact Form 7, and afterwards it will enter in a maintenance phase, which will mean that it will not get any new features or any major updates. It will only get bug fixes from there on, and somewhere in the future it will probably die off. So yeah, he also announced that there is a new project which there is work invested in a new project which will replace the Contact Form 7 plugin. However, it is not yet ready. It is contactable.io, and this new project will be ready, he estimated that, around 2028. So yeah, there is quite some time until then, and until 2028 the Contact Form 7 will continue to work. However, it will not bring anything new to the table. So if you are just setting up new projects, I recommend you don't use any more Contact Form 7, unfortunately, but switch to alternatives which are maintained and which are actively developed with new features, as if you continue to use Contact Form 7, you might risk to fall behind, and other contact forms might get new features which are pretty awesome. And let me show you some alternatives. So if you search contact forms on wordpress.org, you have quite a lot of options. So WP Forms is a very good option. It has a free and a pro version. You can try the free version. It has many cool functionalities in it. Also, Forminator is a cool plugin. Give it a try. Sure Forms is also really nice. It has really nice design. Ninja Forms works really great. And finally, the Fluent Forms plugin will also do all the form related stuff that you need. So go ahead guys and check these alternatives, as unfortunately Contact Form 7 will be shut down in the upcoming years probably, and it is no way to turn it back. So alternatives, go ahead guys, check. And Contact Form 7, you served us well. Thank you for all your work done for us. And yeah, this is all. So if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know. Bye bye.